What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we are looking at the SmartDevil screen protector kit. I have two kits here, one for my phone and one for my wife's phone. I'm going to show you how to install these and go from there. They're actually really cool. So I'm not going to go easy on these either. Once we get this installed and everything, I'm going to put these to the test. I'll bring the knife out. I'll start trying to bend it and crack it, all that good stuff. And I want to make sure that if we're recommending these, that they are good. So we've got some accessories here. Nice packaging as well, I'll say. It's a cute little character. A smart devil, I might say. And in this envelope, kind of cool, it comes in an envelope. We have more accessories. So let's go ahead and open this up. We've got, they kind of fell out there, our camera covers. So this comes with 3 camera covers and 3 screen protectors in each kit. You can see those there. We've got instruction manuals, but I'll go through the steps and show you how it's all done. We've got a quick installation guide, including a QR code to a video. This is actually very useful. So let's take a look at the protectors. These are the 2 spare screen protectors. The other screen protector is actually nestled right here in the applicator. So let's go ahead and pull this out and take a look at that. Very easy to use applicator. Shows you how to place it. You drop it on top and go from there. I'll show you the individual steps in just a moment. And you can see that the screen protector is attached as well, and nothing to it but to do it. Let's go ahead and bring out, actually this isn't the best wallpaper to use for that. It already looks like it has bubbles. Let's choose a new wallpaper. There we go. So let's get the case off, and it is currently unprotected. So now we can go ahead and, oh, it feels like a Pokemon unwrapping here. So we're going to go ahead and pull out the microfiber cloth, as well as the cleaning wipes, which go first. So first step is the cleaning wipes. So we're going to go ahead and give this a really nice clean. Try and hold it by the side so you don't get any more fingerprints or grime or anything like that on it. It's going to be a miracle if we don't get hairs under this screen protector, because I live with dogs and they are everywhere. So the second anything comes off, it's going to happen. So after you use the wet wipe, you can use the microfiber cloth, and then you can use the third package here, which is dusting stickers. So all you gotta do is see if there's any dust left and just tap, and it'll get pulled off by that sticker there, and you're good to go. Now, we're gonna grab the case, the applicator I should say, make sure that it is properly secured, and then just drop it on top of your phone. How easy is that? Once it's on top, you're just gonna pull out from the bottom here, just like that. And then once we pull it out, we're just gonna let it sit for about 10 seconds. And I wasn't sure why at first, but you're actually gonna see it filling up all those air bubbles on the bottom there. So just give it some time and let it go through the entire case, or the entire screen I should say. Mine started going off towards the side here, and then we can pull this off and simply pull the top plastic off of the screen protector. I was a little confused at first. I thought it didn't work, but yeah, the screen protector is there. So we just pull it off, and there we go. Mine had a small bubble, but I was able to just go ahead and push that out, and it worked just fine. So some people also like to use like a credit card for that. That works just fine. But whenever there's a little bubble, usually it'll go away in a day or two, or you can just use your finger or a credit card to go ahead and push that out. So here I'm just cleaning the back cameras, same process as before. We're going to use the microfiber cloth to get it nice and clean, and then use the dusting stickers. And now we can grab one of these lens covers and simply pull off the adhesive here, being careful to hold it nice and tight, and then you can place it over your camera lenses. This is going to put an entire block around them, keeping them nice and safe and secure. Very nice. And there you have it. You are 100% protected. Now to the fun part. This is the part everyone wants to see. Is this a strong screen protector? We're going to sacrifice one of the gods here. Let's go ahead and peel this off. and get the screen protector out. And standard bend test first. This thing is strong AF. It will not break no matter what I do. I'm not able to get it to actually break. At the end of the video, you'll actually see I pushed it all the way to where they were touching and it still wouldn't break. Here I'm using the knife test. So you can see there's nothing on the screen. Scratch test, nothing there either. Scratches, taps, no marks at all. But I'm going to go ahead and really give it my all and try to break this thing. You can see some of the residue of the glue starting to come off because I've bent this both ways so many times. But that protector is not going anywhere. Look at this. All the way bent, and I cannot break this thing in half. Maybe if I put it like between two books or something it might, but I could not get this thing to crack or anything. All I was able to do is get the glue looking a little funky in the center, and that was about it. But yeah, super solid screen protector here. Huge shout out to SmartDevil for sending this over. I'll put a link to them in the description below if you want to pick up your own set. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Peace.
Conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.